Atlanta Attachment Company presents the Model 1967 AX PR2 foam mattress press with needle lifting system. The servo driving press allows adhesive transfer between foam plates and the simultaneous activation of adhesives. Sensors at the entrance of the press detect foam height. The independent PLC automatically adjusts the stepping motors and activates the compression plates with proper pressure applied. The Model 1967 AX PR2 provides a needle lifting system that automatically aligns the foam plates before compression with minimal operator input, even with multiple layers of foam. The press can work in line with the Model 1967 AXIR infrared curing oven and the 1967 AXR Plus roller laminating machine. Leading and trailing edges of foam are automatically centered under the balance bar. The structure of the press was engineered to exert approximately 3 tons of pressure. This allows for maximum pressure over slightly porous materials in order to achieve a perfect bonding of the adhesive. Custom recipes can be programmed to produce mattresses to your specific manufacturing requirements. Several options are available, including an automatic trimming system or an automatic stacking system. The balance bar distributes equal pressure on both sides for precise compression, even if the foam is off-center. For more information about this unit or any other machinery for the mattress or textile industry, please contact us at sales@atlatt.com.